Today I'll be showing CADTALK Design Automation, also known as CADTALK DA. CADTALK Design Automation is a solution for configure-to-order manufacturing companies that need to generate engineering designs automatically using data from a front-end sales configurator, or also known as a configure price quote software, sometimes abbreviated CPQ. CADTALK DA works with all major CAD systems like Autodesk, SolidWorks, Creo, CATIA, and many more. Many manufacturers use a front-end sales configurator with the customer during the sales cycle to define the product for each customer's needs. After the configuration is approved and the order is placed, the organization must generate the models and drawings for the configuration. This step requires expensive engineering resources because a design engineer must use a configuration report from which he or she manually generates a model and drawing for the new configuration. CADTALK DA automates these steps by taking the configuration data from the front-end sales software and produces complete models and drawings which can be used on the shop floor and delivered to the customer on demand. CADTALK DA supports a semi-automated, on-demand, or completely automated solution. The on-demand mode fits well when a design engineer needs to modify the model and drawing after it is configured, while the fully automated solution is a fit when no additional design resources are required. Let us begin. On your screen, you see a sample bookcase. In this demonstration, I will show how CADTALK Design Automation takes data from a sample front-end CPQ solution to automatically generate the complete model and drawing from the configured choices. CADTALK DA parametrically flexes any model using configurator data, no matter how simple or complex, because the solution is 100% configurable in the interface without the need for customization. Now I am switching over to our sample configurator to select the options for the bookcase. You're now looking at the web page where we set the configurations for the adjustable bookcase. First, I need to input the part number, which I have done here. Depending on the configurator, this number can be automatically generated. Next, we change the available options for width, depth, height, the number of shelves we want, how high the toe board would be, and whether we want media cutouts or not. So I have set up this configuration as CFG-1234. The overall width is going to be a 32-inch bookshelf. The overall depth would be 12. The overall height is 60 inches. Shelf count is five shelves. And the toe board height is 3.5 inches. And we are no media cutouts. So once I'm complete, I will save this configuration. With this saved configuration, we will generate the configured model from the template model based on these parameters. Now you see the CAD environment where I will read into CADTALK DA the configuration from the web page and transform the CAD template into the configured product. In this example, everything is done in an on-demand scenario. However, these steps can be entirely automated where the models are created with a black box service. In the interface, I select Run Design from CPQ. A dialog box opens and requests the part number that's applied during the configuration. This part number was the CFG-1234. I enter the part number and press Enter. CADTALK DA now leverages the configurator data to generate a new design from the CAD bookcase template. Once the process is complete, the system alerts us. Design is complete. I will now open the newly generated model and with the configuration applied. As you can see, the new bookcase reflects the parameters we set earlier in the configurator. Its dimensions are visible. It is taller than the template. It is set at 32 width, and it has 5 shelves. We have also automatically generated the drawing. Here you can see the drawing and the bill of material generated automatically for the shop floor. As you can see, the new bookcase reflects the parameters we set earlier in the configurator. CADTALK Design Automation produced this complete model and drawing automatically from the sample-based template. At this point, you can use our CAD ERP integration solution, what's called CADTALK ERP, to then read in the model to create a new bill of material in the ERP for manufacturing and send out the traveler to the shop floor. Alternatively, a design engineer may take this generated model and make any necessary changes, and then release the design to manufacturing. As you saw today, CADTALK Design Automation has the power to leverage configurator data to parametrically flex a model to produce automatically any configured design. The solution, coupled with CADTALK ERP, reduces the handoff from sales to engineering to manufacturing by up to 80%. Feel free to schedule a demo with us at https://www.cadtalk.com/demo or to see the full solution suite. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.